What would you want someone else to say about you if they were introducing you to your ideal client? Welcome to Fordify, where we help you fortify your business. Now, each week we pick a random topic chosen by the Fordify button. So let's see what this week's episode is going to be about. The ultimate positioning statement. So what is a positioning statement? Well, a positioning statement is an expression of how you, your products or services, your brand, fills a particular customer need. Now, it's not a USP or an elevator pitch. And yes, you can have multiple statements for different verticals, product lines, and categories of service. Now, for example, a positioning statement for me would be something like, Saeks is best known for innovative business growth strategies, who works exclusively with franchises to help them dominate their local marketplace and increase their sales. So why is it important for your business? Having a clear positioning statement makes it easy for you to stand out and convey value and purpose in one sentence. Makes it easy for people to introduce you to others and for them to understand what you do. See, it positions you in the mind of the prospect. So how do you craft a compelling positioning statement? Well, first, before you start, ask yourself these 4 questions. Number 1, do I need more than one positioning statement? Well, the answer is probably yes. You need a positioning statement for every single vertical that you work in. So for me, I'm gonna have a positioning statement for speaking, for consulting, for professional services. Number 2, who's your target market? Now, we've covered this a lot of different times on Fordify episodes, who's your ideal avatar, but you wanna make sure that you have the right positioning statement targeted to your target market. Number 3, what's your unique value? What's your unique expertise? Now, I'm not just talking about a speaker, trainer, and expert. I'm saying as a company, as a business, what's the main expertise or value that you bring? What's your unique value? So for example, for Prime Concepts, our unique value is leveraging the power of digital to help local businesses dominate their area. Number 4, how do you help your target market? What's the goal? So after you've answered these 4 questions, you need to apply them to this 4-part formula for creating a positioning statement. It starts with part 1, which is your name. Part 2 is your expertise. Part 3 is your avatar. And part 4 is your goal. So it would be just like this. Your name, blank, is best known for expertise, who works exclusively with target market to help them results or goals. Creating your positioning statement is half the battle. Now you've got to decide where you're going to put it. So let's look at where you should actually use your positioning statement. Start with your website on your About Us page and your bio pages. Next, go to all your social media platforms and look at your profiles and your About Us and use your positioning statement on your profiles. After social media, I want you to go to your business directory listings. So if you have a business directory listing for an association or for a group that you're a member of, or maybe your chamber, maybe an industry directory listing, go to your industry directory listings about you or your company and then put that positioning statement there. And remember, you want to also update your positioning statement on review websites, especially industry specific websites. So for example, if you're a doctor, you're going to go to Health Grades or Vitals or maybe WebMD. If you're a local business, then it's going to be Yelp and Angie's List. But just wherever you're being reviewed, wherever you have a profile, you want to make sure that you update it, including your Google business listing. So we've covered some of the things online where you put your positioning statement. Now let's look at some of the traditional marketing places. You can include it in your media kit. Now that's if you're trying to get publicity and you have a media kit and you have a little bio section about you, or maybe when you have a blog and you're having the byline or about you. So include it in traditional marketing too. Your marketing assets, you can put it on your products. If you have a lead magnet and you've got great content for your lead magnet, well, obviously they need some credibility statement of about you. Add it to your lead magnets. Teach your salespeople how to use your positioning statement. Send it to your referral partners so they know how to introduce you. Now, a referral partner is anybody that typically meets with the same people that you meet with so that they know how to introduce you to new prospects. Now, if you give presentations as a speaker or trainer, make sure you include your positioning statement in your speech introduction. So here are your action steps for this week's episode. Take the time right now and create your own positioning statement using the 4-part formula. Then update your online profiles and traditional marketing materials. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Fordify. If so, give it a thumbs up and share this video with your marketing and sales teams. Send me your positioning statement or put it in the comments below. Like what you see, subscribe to be notified of upcoming episodes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Fordify, where we help you fortify your business. I'm trying to give you really clear breaks. You can find it. This is really good. Fordify, 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 Fordify. I'm not gonna use numbers though. Is this where it's supposed to go? And the answer is probably yes. Oh yeah, that's it, thank you. Actually, what I'm pissy about is get the air conditioner turned on. Please.
Babe.
Babe.